Authentic remote control nuclear iron robot. Finally, you can have your own authentic remote-controlled nuclear-powered iron robot. Watch it obey your commands. Tell it to grab a soda out of the refrigerator. Command it to punch out the bully down the street. Have it lift your car and change your oil. To power on robot, contact your local nuclear power plant to connect to their nuclear water pool. Iron robot weighs 4,000 pounds. Remote control may not work. Electronics, gearing, and motor sold separately. Full assembly required. Some parts may not fit. FJS Catalog number 0014 nuclear robot only $99.99. Shipping and handling only $999.99. Authentic remote control nuclear iron robot from the FJS Catalog.